look after you, we give you a cup of tea, and there's a quiet time for relaxation. Hello, I'm Malcolm Evans. I'm now 80 years of age, and I live in Bont-y-pŵl in Gwent, and I've now given my 152nd donation today, so I'm very happy to have done that. Now it will be 61 years since I've started giving, in July 1960, and I've been giving ever since. It has been my ambition to give blood as often as I can, and to have achieved this level now, I'm very pleased. Not so much for myself, but for the people that I've been able to help, and that has been appreciated by many. I know people have said to me where blood has helped them over the years, and that's a little contribution that I feel that I've been able to make. I feel that I've had such a good life myself, and that by donating blood, it's that little contribution that will mean a lot to other people. For me, it's not a difficult job, and I would recommend many people to do the same. In fact, I look forward to my next donation. It'll be on the calendar now when my 12 weeks are due. Why not? Why not start giving? It is life-giving, and if you are in good health, it's not a difficult operation. I look after you, we give you a cup of tea, and there's a quiet time for relaxation. I am here and will give as often as I'm able to give. While you are there accepting my blood, I'm happy to give it.